What are the 10 most healthy foods? Here's a list of 10 incredibly healthy foods that offer a wide range of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to support overall well-being. Leafy green vegetables, foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and various minerals. They are also high in fiber and antioxidants, promoting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They contribute to improved cognitive function, heart health, and may help reduce inflammation. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats support brain health, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. They can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are examples of whole grains rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide sustained energy, digestion, and contribute to heart health. Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics. Greek yogurt supports gut health and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. It is also a good source of calcium and essential nutrients. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are packed with fiber, vitamins, and cancer-fighting compounds. They contribute to a healthy immune system and support detoxification processes. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamins. They are known to support heart health, improve cholesterol levels, and promote skin health. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. They contribute to stable blood sugar levels, promote digestive health, and are beneficial for weight management. Sweet potatoes, packed with vitamins, especially beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious root vegetable. They support vision, boost the immune system, and provide sustained energy. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can contribute to overall health and well-being, providing a diverse range of essential nutrients to support various bodily functions. It's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet to ensure optimal nutrition.